Hey, what's up everyone? Today we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Ford Tourneo Courier, and I've got to say, this little people mover has really surprised me. Ford has managed to inject some genuine personality into what could have been just another boring utility box. First impressions? This isn't your typical van with windows. Ford has clearly put effort into making the Tourneo Courier visually appealing with its bold front grille, muscular wheel arches, and that distinctive rising waistline. Opt for the active trim and you'll get those rugged skid plates and wheel arch cladding that give it a surprisingly adventurous look. The 1-liter EcoBoost engine delivers 123 horsepower, which doesn't sound like much on paper, but feels surprisingly peppy in real-world driving. Ford claims 0 to 60 in about 13 seconds, but our testing suggests it's closer to 10.8 seconds. Not bad at all for this type of vehicle. Around town, the steering feels nicely weighted and precise. Body roll is well controlled despite the tall profile, and the 6-speed manual gearbox is a pleasure to use with its short, accurate shifts. The ride quality strikes that sweet spot between comfort and control. It's firm enough to handle corners confidently, but won't shake your fillings loose over bumps. Step inside and wow, headroom for days. The cabin feels incredibly spacious thanks to that tall roof and massive windows flooding the interior with light. One of my favorite features has to be those sliding rear doors. If you've ever tried loading kids into car seats in a tight parking spot, you'll immediately appreciate this thoughtful touch. The practicality continues with impressive cargo space. You get 570 liters with all seats up, expanding to a massive 2162 liters with the rear seats folded. That's enough room for bikes, camping gear, or that ambitious IKEA run. Tech-wise, Ford keeps things simple but effective. The 8-inch touchscreen sits nice and high on the dash where it's easy to reach and comes standard with wireless smartphone mirroring. No need to pay extra for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto here. The titanium trim adds heated seats and electronic climate control, while the active trim throws in navigation and those stylish 17-inch wheels. What really sets the Tourneo Courier apart, though, is how it drives. Unlike many of its competitors, this isn't a commercial van that's been hastily converted for passenger duty. It's built on the same platform as the nimble Ford Puma, and it shows in the handling. Fuel economy is solid too, with real-world figures hovering around 40 miles per gallon in mixed driving. Ford also plans to release a fully electric e-Tourneo Courier later this year, promising about 230 miles of range. Is it perfect? No. Some interior plastics feel a bit cheap, and at around 25,000 pounds to start, it's not the absolute bargain some might hope for. But considering the standard equipment and versatility on offer, I think the value proposition is strong. The bottom line? The 2025 Ford Tourneo Courier successfully bridges the gap between practicality and personality. It offers genuine utility without forcing you to sacrifice driving enjoyment or style. If you need a versatile family vehicle but can't stomach the thought of a traditional minivan or a cookie-cutter crossover, the Tourneo Courier deserves a spot on your shopping list. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews just like this one. Until next time, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.